In nature's intricate tapestry, ants stand out as remarkable architects, building and maintaining their societies with precision. In this journey through the world of ants, we invite you to discover the mysteries of their development, from the tiniest egg to the bustling ant colony. Ants, with their hard-working nature and remarkable social structure, are fundamental to the intricate dance of ecosystems. Ants belong to the order Hymenoptera and the family Formicidae, which includes a wide variety of species. Their distinctive features include a segmented body with 3 parts: head, thorax, and abdomen. Ants also exhibit elbowed antennae, powerful jaws, mandibles, and a narrow waist, called a petiole, which distinguish them from other insects. Ants play an important role in maintaining ecological balance beyond their appearance. As scavengers, they clean up organic debris, which contributes to the recycling of nutrients. Ants are effective predators that control populations of various insects. Furthermore, their foraging activities help in seed dispersal and plant growth. The interdependence between ants and the environment highlights their importance in maintaining ecosystems. Ants are renowned for their highly organized colonies, each functioning as a cohesive unit. A typical colony comprises a queen, worker ants, and, in some species, soldier ants. The cooperation within colonies allows ants to undertake complex tasks collectively, such as building nests, foraging for food, and caring for the young. The ant life cycle is a testament to the wonders of nature, revealing a series of changes that take these small creatures from humble beginnings to important contributors to their colonies. The ant life cycle begins with the egg stage, a period of incredible potential and anticipation. Ant eggs are usually laid by the queen and vary in size and shape between species. These oval structures mark the beginning of a complex developmental process. The egg stage is extremely important, setting the stage for later stages and laying the foundation for the colony's future. Once the eggs hatch, they give birth to larvae. Ant larvae are legless, soft-bodied, and depend entirely on the care of worker ants. During this stage, worker ants diligently feed and nurture the larvae, ensuring their healthy development. The larval stage is a critical period for development, and the care provided during this stage significantly affects the capabilities of the adult ant. After the larval stage, ants enter the pupal stage, a period of transformation marked by the development of various body features. Inside the protective pupal case, the ant undergoes metamorphosis, forming its final form. This stage is similar to a caterpillar transforming into a butterfly, highlighting the wonders of nature's design. The culmination of the ant life cycle is the emergence of adult ants. These individuals play specific roles within the colony, contributing to its functionality and success. Worker ants, soldiers, and the queen each play a unique role, creating a cooperative and efficient community. The adult stage is not simply an endpoint but a continuation of the cycle, as worker ants engage in tasks critical to the survival of the colony. It is important to understand that the most important figure in ant colonies is the queen. The queen ant is not just a royal title, it represents a vital role, commanding the survival, development, and continuity of the colony. The queen ant is the primary reproductive individual within the colony. Her primary function is to lay eggs. Unlike worker ants, the queen possesses specialized reproductive organs, allowing her to produce a vast number of eggs throughout her lifespan. Ant reproduction begins with the queen's mating flight. During this aerial journey, the queen mates with male ants, depositing sperm in a specialized organ. This stored sperm serves as a source of fertilization for the eggs she lays throughout her life. Once the queen has established a new colony or joined an existing colony, she begins her egg-laying duties. The reproductive output of queens is remarkable, with some species capable of laying thousands of eggs per day. However, not all eggs develop into adult ants. The fate of the eggs depends on the needs of the colony. Some eggs become worker ants, others develop into male ants, and a few have the potential to become new queens. The queen's lifespan is significantly longer than that of worker ants. While worker ants may live for weeks or months, queen ants can live for several years, and in some cases, even decades. This longevity ensures the queen's sustained ability to lay eggs, contributing to the colony's stability. Worker ants recognize the queen's significance and provide her with dedicated care. They feed and groom her, ensuring her well-being to maintain the colony's reproductive engine. The queen, in turn, exerts chemical signals to regulate the behavior of the worker ants, creating a harmonious and synchronized environment within the colony. In the intricate world of ant colonies, worker ants stand as the unsung heroes, tirelessly contributing to the colony's functionality and success. These ants come in various shapes and sizes, each adapted to specific tasks within the colony. These are adept architects, collaborating to build and maintain intricate nests. These nests provide shelter, protection, and a conducive environment for the colony's development. Worker ants are adept at leaving the nest to find food sources. Worker ants communicate through pheromones, chemical signals that provide information about food sources, danger, or the need for additional workers for specific tasks. Foragers play a critical role in maintaining the colony's nutritional needs. This communication system enables the colony to adapt quickly to changing conditions. Their lives are relatively short-lived. Worker ants go through a cycle of tasks, transitioning from nursing and tending to the young to foraging and defending the colony. As they age, their tasks may change, reflecting the dynamic nature of their roles within the colony. The smooth functioning of the colony depends not only on the hard-working ants but also on a specialized group of soldier ants. Soldier ants, distinguished by their larger size and powerful mandibles, constitute the frontline defense of the colony. Soldier ants employ a range of defensive tactics to protect the colony. When a threat is detected, soldiers may form barricades at nest entrances, preventing intruders from gaining access. They can also engage in aggressive confrontations, using their mandibles to fend off attackers and protect the nest. Often produce and deploy chemical substances as a defense mechanism. Some species may even produce toxic compounds to deter adversaries. The adaptability of soldier ants extends to their response to different types of threats. Soldier ants showcase a remarkable ability to adjust their defensive strategies based on the nature of the adversary. From the scorching heat of deserts to the dampness of rainforests, ants have evolved to thrive in diverse conditions. Environmental conditions play a significant role in influencing the speed of ant growth. Ant development is often temperature dependent. In warmer climates, ant colonies may experience accelerated growth and development, leading to a higher turnover of generations. Conversely, in colder environments, the developmental pace may slow down, with colonies adapting to seasonal changes. Humidity levels also impact ant behavior and development. Species adapted to arid environments may exhibit water-conserving behaviors, while those in humid regions may require specialized adaptations to prevent excessive moisture within the nest. Ants build nests that vary in structure and location based on the habitat. Some species construct elaborate underground nests, while others create nests in trees or utilize existing plant structures. These nesting habits contribute to the colony's ability to regulate temperature and humidity within the nest. The foraging patterns of ant colonies are influenced by the distribution of resources in their environment. Some ants are efficient foragers over large distances, while others may have more localized foraging strategies. These adaptations optimize resource utilization based on the ecological conditions of the habitat. Certain ant species play a crucial role in seed dispersal. Seeds are collected by ants and transported to their nests. In the process, some seeds are discarded, contributing to plant dispersal and regeneration in diverse areas. In our exploration of the ant life cycle, we've traversed the intricate stages of development, from the delicate egg to the formidable soldier ant. The resilience, adaptability, and cooperative spirit of ant colonies have been unveiled, showcasing the wonders that unfold within these seemingly small but highly organized societies. From the queen's prolific egg-laying to the strategic defenses of soldier ants, every aspect of the ant life cycle contributes to the collective success of the colony. Ants emerge as crucial contributors to the delicate balance of ecosystems. Their roles extend beyond the confines of their nests, influencing seed dispersal, regulating predator-prey dynamics, and shaping the landscapes they inhabit. Today we got to know the life cycle of ants. Have you ever encountered this insect? Let us know in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Insects Universe. And don't miss our next video, where we uncover more surprising secrets of insects. Until then, keep exploring the unseen world. Thank you for joining us on this journey. Feel free to delve deeper, ask questions, and share your newfound knowledge.